Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm teaching you how to make some really awesome DIY inspirational photo boards, kind of like the one behind me. I got this idea because I really love dream boards and inspiration boards, and so I wanted to do a video on different ways you could take photos and make inspirational boards. Now technically this isn't a board, but it's an inspirational photo display, so it's kind of the same thing. And that's my kitten Ari. She says hi to everybody. She's so big, she's almost 10 months old. So let's get on into the video. So the first place I thought of is your computer background, making your inspirational board on there. So I put a ton of my favorite pictures on my background that inspire me. And it's a place you see all the time. Next is a hanging inspirational board. So I printed out all those same photos that inspire me and that I like. Most of them are actually from my Instagram, and I printed them all out. Then I cut them out, and I have them all ready, and I made sure to leave a little white line around them just so they look nicer. My kitten wants to be involved. So I got these kitten string lights that light up from my friend for my birthday. And I decided to hang those up in my art room, and then they come with like little clips. So I hung it up and then I clipped all my favorite photos on there, and I just love the way it looks. I think it looks super cute, and it's a good way to have an inspirational photo board. So I kind of had a little bit of an order when I was hanging them up. Like I didn't put all of my animals' pictures in one area, you know, I kind of spread them out. Next is a photo journal. So you can take those same photos and you can glue them on a brand new journal that you have, and that could be your inspirational board. Next is an inspirational photo wall board. So basically you take your photos and you just tape them onto your door or onto your wall in any order that you like. You just want to make sure it's in a place that you see all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know which one down below that you like the most or that you're gonna make. I love this one the most out of all of them that I showed you. So I use this one, and then the background of my computer, I use that too. But this is like my favorite one. And these string lights, I got them for my best friend for my birthday. So I really love them because if you look up close, they're actually little cats that light up. They're super cute. If you like this video, click like and subscribe if you want to stick around. I'll see you in the next video super soon. Bye! Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video I am teaching you how to make some DIY inspirational that's my cat's tail.